This baked cauliflower recipe is a game changer. Coated in a rich, flavorful yogurt-based sauce, oven-baked to perfection, and finished with a golden, gooey layer of melted cheese. Ingredients for baked cauliflower: 1 small cauliflower, cut into florets, 1 cup yogurt, 2 eggs, 1/2 tea glass of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon flour, 1 cup grated cheddar cheese, salt and red pepper flakes. Prepare the sauce. In a mixing bowl, whisk together yogurt, vegetable oil, eggs, flour, salt, and red pepper flakes until smooth. Boil the cauliflower florets for a few minutes until slightly tender. Then, dip them into the prepared sauce and arrange them in a greased baking dish. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius and bake for 20 minutes until lightly golden. Sprinkle grated cheddar cheese on top and return to the oven for another 10 minutes, or until the cheese is bubbly and golden brown. And just like that, your cheesy baked cauliflower is ready to be devoured. Serve it hot and watch it disappear in minutes. If you love quick, easy, and insanely delicious recipes, don't forget to check out the full recipe video. Hit the like button, subscribe for more, and let me know in the comments. What's your favorite way to cook cauliflower?